Good. Swing your arm. Run. Kaya nag-react ka kaagad, Trish. Go, back pedal. Jump. Good. Then, firm kick. Okay, one more. Kailangan naka-ready ka kaagad. Okay? So, yung weights mo, every time na pak, ganun ka. Kailangan yung weights mo, pag baba mo ganun, itulak, iyuko mo na kaagad yan. Huwag ka na tumatakbo na naka-straight na ganun. Kasi pag once na naka-2-step ka na, nakayuko ka na, paangat, mabilis na agad yan. Okay? Pag whistle ko ng next, kailangan ano ka, recover. Ibig sabihin, pak. Okay? Recover tayo kaagad. 5, 4, 3, 2. Recover. Good. Very good. Okay? 5, 4, 3, go. Jump. 1, 2. Takon ka 3, 4, 5, 6. Run. Takbo ka agad. Good. Back pedal. Good. Okay. Good. First whistle. Run. Sprint. Good. Back pedal. Go. Okay. The next. Go. Run. Go. Back pedal. Good. Jump. The next. High knees. Skip. Go. Good. Lay up. Karyoka. Go. Okay. Good. Stop. Doon muna. Kick back, high knees, pantisahin oras natin. Okay? 5, 4, 3, go. Swing arm. Good. Swing arm. Good. Go. High knees. Good. Kick back. And then